To use the bold, italic, and underline commands. 1. Select the text you wish to modify. 2. Click the bold, B, italic, I, or underline, U, command in the font group on the Home tab. Strike through the text. Strike through text will look like a line that's been drawn through its middle. A strike through text indicates that it has been deleted and not anymore required. This is very simple to change selected text into strike through font by following 2 simple steps. You can use any of the text selection methods to select the text. Click Font Strike Through button in the Home tab font group to put a line in the middle of the text which is called Strike Through the Text. To change the text case. 1. Select the text you wish to modify. 2. Click the Change Case command in the font group on the Home tab. 3. Select the desired case option from the list. To change the text alignment. 1. Select the text you wish to modify. 2. Select one of the 4 alignment options from the paragraph group on the Home tab. Align text left. Aligns all the selected text to the left margin. Center. Aligns text in equal distance from the left and right margins. Align text right. Aligns all the selected text to the right margin. Justify. Justified text is equal on both sides and lines up equally to the right and left margins. Many newspapers and magazines use full justification. When you click Justify button, it displays 4 options. Justify, Justify low, Justify high, and Justify medium. You need to select only Justify option. Difference between these options is that low Justify creates little space between 2 words, and medium creates a bit more space, and high creates maximum space between 2 words to justify the text. You can use Word's convenient Set as Default feature to save all of the formatting changes you've made and automatically apply them to new documents. Clear formatting options. All settings can be reset to plain text or default formatting. To reset text to default settings. 1. Select the text that you want to reset. 2. Click Clear Formatting button in the Home tab font group, or simply use Ctrl plus spacebar.